Hey guys, it is early morning on a Sunday, and we've been invited to a car show to this, I don't even know how to pronounce it. Concours De Nice. Concours De Nice. That's how you say it. We're about to jump in the Shelby to get her warmed up so we could drive out to Orange minutes. So I'm gonna take you through the whole car show, all the different cars today, and yeah, we should have a pretty smooth going day. It's drizzling just a bit. Bam! Look at how cute she is. Damn! Oh! Let's get in. Get in this bad boy. Oh! Oh, my back! Oh! Okay, usually it's really hard to start these cars when it's cold on E85. Let's see how long it takes. Not bad. All right, let's get on the road. Let's get some fuel, get out of here. Alright guys, so we're here. I got my my Shelby car number, I guess. So we're going to drive into, I think, the hotel now. So we'll see how that looks, but it's pretty insane. You see Ford QTs, multiple years, Cobras, all kinds of shit. So Hey guys, so I never really like finished up like my conclusion of Sunday's Shelby event because realistically I was running on very little sleep, and by the evening I think the event ended like at 4 o'clock. I was done. I was fried. We were in the sun. It got hot out here. So kind of a rundown was once we parked our vehicles, it was kind of just like we would talk to other owners. I wanted to get an interview of a lot of the other owners, but unfortunately, it just didn't feel like the right place for it. So what I hope to do in the future is I did a lot of networking with a lot of Shelby owners. So what I want to do is we're going to start doing a podcast here on this channel with different owners and what got them into Shelbys, what got them into Mustangs, how they acquired their vehicles, trying to get to know them as well as the people that surround the Shelby culture. One of the people I met, that invited me, not met, one of the people that invited me was Chris Jenkins with California Shelbys. He has an amazing build. It's a 2020 GT350 purple with a snake, yellow, like a Cobra snake wrap. He has a Pro Charger on E85, and the thing is just a monster. But I met him when I was buying my 47-pound injectors to go E85, and he actually helps runs. I don't know if he himself only runs it, but he helps run California Shelby, so they invited me out to the event, and it was a pleasure to be amongst them. So stay tuned for like the podcast, because while I was talking to him, he's also a viewer, so I appreciate that. But while I was talking to him the first time, and even the second time, he just has so much knowledge in regards to Shelbys and Mustangs in general. But so many people there had so many stories to tell. So stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be working hard to get a lot of these podcasts to you. But it was a fun day. I got to enjoy what it's like to have a Shelby, and to be able to have it not break down and be at the dealer 24/7 like the other GT350 was. But I finally got to enjoy, my first Shelby car show. And it's very different than, say, like the typical Mustang community. Nothing bad with like the Mustang GT crowds or the EcoBoost crowds or the V6 crowds. It's just that it's a different environment maybe. A lot more people tend to respect Shelbys over, like, say, a Roush. Like, I love Roush. But it seems like there's a lot more respect for some reason there's a Shelby car show, So it was definitely a fun evening, or a fun morning into the evening. A beautiful setup, and I will hope to go to more of them. But like I mentioned, we're going to be bringing a lot more podcasts. Trying to figure out a date with when it works for his schedule, when it works for mine, some questions and whatnot. And then see who else would want to be on this channel. One of the interesting things was there was a gentleman that had a GT500, a newer GT500. I think it was like one of the Heritage editions in Brittany blue, and then he had like a white Ford GT, one of the brand new ones. And it's like I think he said he had a few other toys at home. It's like, damn, dude, like that's that's goals. I'd eventually want to get there. So. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. That was a fun day.